So what we want to do is now shape it up. Now actually I prefer it not to have so many, see look, some of the fruit's broken up. It's because this fruit's very soft. That's what you've got to watch really. If you've got very soft fruit, it will break up easy. Bit of flour. And we'll make it into a tin shape. Now remember with this dough, because we put bread improver in it, you don't need to rest it for the first rest. Now if you're not using bread improver, you will have to wait until this doubles its size, all right? So when it's like big, and then you knock it back and restart again. But because we're using bread improver, we cut out that first one. So we can now put that straight into a tin. Like that. And now we're going to prove it up until it comes up to just about there on the tin. All right. And that's going to take around about, I would say, a good hour, give or take. So there we go, in the tin. So we'll see you back in an hour's time.